Assalamualaikum. A very happy greetings to all you guys. This is Famida here and you watching Non-Veg Indian Cuisine channel. In Eid special recipes, today's recipe is Afghani chicken rice platter. So do try this recipe and let me know. Here in a mixer grinder I am taking 1 green chili, 4 almonds and few cashew nuts. Now I am adding few peppercorns too. Now give it a coarse grind. Now for a smooth paste I am adding nearly half cup of yogurt. Now blend it well until it becomes smooth paste. Now in a mixing bowl I am taking tikka pieces of chicken. Now I am seasoning this chicken with little bit of salt, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of all spices powder, a teaspoon of cumin powder would go in. Now give it a good mix. Now add this cashew nut paste into the chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream too. Give it a good mix. Now finally I am adding a teaspoon of kasuri methi powder. Now keep it to marinate for at least 1 hour. Now after 1 hour, skew the meat onto the skewers. You can see the chicken is nicely marinated here. Now skew gently all the chicken pieces and place them in the pan. Now drizzle some oil and put it over the gas flame. Now grill them evenly from both the sides. Cover and cook for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Now in the meanwhile I have soaked a good quality of saffron, nearly 1 teaspoon, in little bit of water. Now add this saffron water into the remaining marination and give it a good mix. Now spread the spare marination over the skewers or drizzle the spare marination over the skewers. Now flip all the skewers and repeat the process. Now you can see it's nicely done here. Now keep it aside. On the same pan I am taking a cube of butter. Now I am adding nearly 1/4 cup of full fat milk here. Now give it a quick mix and add a handful of mozzarella here and let the sauce be thickened at once. Now it's done. Spread this prepared sauce over the skewers. Now in an open pot pan I am taking 2 cubes of butter with a tablespoon of oil. Now once the butter melts, add some all spices into the butter. Saute for a while. Now I am adding nearly 2 tablespoons of chopped onion. Now once the onion becomes translucent, I am adding 1 green chili chopped with a teaspoon of ginger julienne. Give it a good mix and add nearly 3 cups of water. Now here I am using India Gate Super Basmati rice. Now bring the water to a boil, add the spare marination and nearly 1.5 cup of soaked basmati rice. I'm using India Gate basmati rice. Add salt to taste. Give it a nice stir. Add little bit of kasuri methi powder here. Now once the water dries up, cover and cooked over low medium flame. Now you can see it's nicely done here. Now it's time to assemble the cooked rice. Its aroma is fantastic, and I am actually smelling the aroma of the rice. Now place the skewers above. Sprinkle some more kasuri methi over and serve hot. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Once again, thanks for watching my video. Stay with me for many more upcoming recipes for Bakra Eid. So until next video, bye. See you. Allah Hafiz.